Hello everyone, my name is Trang. I in class discover 1P. Today I go into read the book White Cats. There are white cats all around the world. Cats live in cold places and in hot places. Cats live on the ground and in the tree. The snow leopard is a big cat. It lives in snowy mountains. It has thick fur to stay warm. The margay lives in rainforests. It can climb well, and it lives in the tree. The black-footed cat is a little cat. It lives in hot places. It can't climb well. It lives in holes in the ground. Thank you for listening and goodbye.